ACAM is a coalition of organizations throughout Greater Houston that help people with basic needs, homelessness prevention, and other services to help families become more self-sufficient.
Not only is ACAM providing the empowerment that organizations such as Katy Christian Ministries needs for us to stay true to the mission, but also going above and beyond.
For those clients who are ready, for those families that are ready to change their lives, we do have services that can help them get there. In order to help families in our region, we have to look at all of the factors that might influence whether or not they're successful. And that might be anything from a healthcare issue to a housing affordability issue to a job-related issue.
Some of the specific tasks that ACAM performs so that we could be successful in our programs. It is from the level of advocacy, being our voice, along with training that our case managers need, training that our staff so that we can provide compassionate care and be culturally competent with the mission work that we are doing day in and day out. That support system is what gives us that ability to do what we do every single day.
Some of the biggest challenges facing our region are exactly what our partnering organizations and ACAM are trying to address together. That's the housing affordability, food insecurity, the education system, young adults who are not working and not in school. Is really important to make sure that people have the skills to obtain better positions and better wages.
We can empower our families so that they could, ultimately reach self-sufficiency.
The ACAM network serves some of the most vulnerable clients in our region. The average income of a client we serve is about $14,000 a year. Housing affordability is a struggle that most of our clients have.
That is what makes us as partners extra special. We're not just focusing in one area of need, but in many other needs that become barriers to the success of a household, of a family.
The network has always been a part of the regional food system. Collectively, we annually serve about 400,000 people with food assistance. About 56% of all of the clients that we serve with the housing assistance programs are children. So we are dedicated to making sure that families can stay housed. It is very difficult to rehouse a family once they become homeless.
This is an organization that puts people at the front line, that will work behind the scenes at a higher level and unite organizations with a grandiose purpose, and that is to create change not only at the individual level, the relationship level, community, but societal change.